Do you want to know how you can buy discounted gift cards and get up to 10% off very easily with the Crypto.com app? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested a lot of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me if I've come across any methods to get some really great discounts when buying gift cards for all kind of popular stores. And there is actually a very easy way to do this, and in this video here I'll give you an inside look of the Crypto.com app and show you exactly how easy it is to get some really great discounts by using it. So I'm now logged into the Crypto.com app, and in case you are not already a member or don't have it already, I also just want to say that I do have an invitation code. I'll leave mine below here so you can check that out and get a great joining bonus also if you live up to certain requirements, if you decide to use this option here. Because the Crypto.com app has a lot of different ways. It's very easy to use, whether you want to buy, sell crypto or earn from it passively by just having your crypto here or staking. It has a lot of options. I have a lot of tutorials about Crypto.com here on my website. I'll also leave a link below to a playlist that I have of all the different tutorials I have of that. But in this video here, we will focus on the Crypto.com page option that you can use to get some really great discounts on gift cards and other things. So once you're inside, you just go to the menu, and again, sometimes the design changes and all that. So if you can't find the exact same way, don't panic. Just look around a little bit and you'll find something where it's called pay, and this is where you can find these cashback options that they have here with the gift cards. They do have here, as you can see, a shop section, so you can also use this here and actually get up to 10% back. You can see, for example, if you want to shop in the Crypto.com shop there, you can also get 5% cashback. So that means like if you spend money there, you'll get 5% back into your Crypto.com app there. So if it's money you're going to spend anyways on some of these here, for example, also Ledger, so why not get that percentage back, right? So it has some options here, but what is quite unique for a cashback option that, and I have tested like a lot of different cashback sites also, and I haven't come across one where you can actually get these discounts and cashback on gift cards, and Crypto.com has this option here. You can see, you just go to this gift cards option here, and then you can go and check out the different options. And if you go to browse, you can also choose your country up here. So you can see here, these are the countries where it currently has this cashback option or discounted gift cards options there. So you can see these are all the different options you can choose there, and then you can see the exact ones that are available in your country. They also do have one that's international, so there are also for certain other countries there. So you can see here, for example, you see for Walmart, so even if you, for example, shop in Walmart, you can actually get cash back when you do that. You can just buy a gift card, so you'll actually get some money back like that. You can click it, you can see the exact options you have there. You can see, for example, if you pay in Crow, the Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, you get 1.25% there. For example, if you have Crow locked up there, then it will actually be twice that much, 2.5%. So the exact rate depends whether you like how you're using the Crypto.com app, if you've locked up Crow there, if you pay with Crow, all these different things. But it has some great options. You can see if you just scroll down, for example, also if you ever use Starbucks, right, you can just, instead of just going and paying, you don't get any discount or anything, you can go, for example, to Crypto.com, get a gift card that you can use there, and you can see, for example, again, up to 10% cash back there. If you use Starbucks often anyways, why not get that percentage back, especially if you're interested in crypto and the Crypto.com app there. So you can see they have a lot of options there, even like for Domino's, Burger King, Whole Foods, like Best Buy, for Nike there, Grubhub, there are a lot of different options here. Even for the Disney store, you can see up to 2.5% off there. Chili's there, up to 10% also. So there's some really great options in general. Like, I really like this whole concept of cashback, because if you're going to spend money anyways, why not use a platform or site or an app where you can just, like, the money you're going to spend anyways, you'll actually get a percentage of it back, even up to 10%, that's quite a lot. But what is so unique here is that you can actually do it not just on certain products in certain stores, you can actually do it on gift cards. So you can basically go to like a lot of really popular physical stores and get cash back that way. You just buy a gift card, you go there, use that gift card, and then you will have basically saved up to 10% depending on the gift card you choose. So I personally really love that. But again, exactly which gift cards are available, for example, you can see what's available in the UK. You can see here, it just needs to load. You see they also have Marks and Spencer's there, TK Maxx there, again also Starbucks, Costa they're up to 10%. Also see so some really great options there. You can also see what is, for example, available if you live in Italy. We can try that. Then will be other options. So you can just go in here, check what's available in your country, and as you can see, it's gift cards that are relevant for those specific countries, which is what I also love, because some cashback sites then it's like some really great offers, but you don't live in a specific country, it's not really relevant for you. Here they have actually made it possible to find really good options no matter the country you live in. Of course, you know, they have certain limitations. These are the main countries that it is available in. So as you can see, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to save some money when you're buying gift cards for some really popular stores, then the crypto.com pay option is a really good one in my opinion, because I haven't really found any other cashback site where you can get gift cards discounted or get cashback on discount. And in addition to that, if you watched any of my other videos, you know that I really like the crypto.com app because it's very user friendly. It has a lot of great functions, and as mentioned also, if you want a joining bonus, I will leave my invitation code below so you can easily get that there and easily get started if you're not yet using it. Also, if you want to know more about it, I do have a lot of tutorials. I'll leave a link below to a full playlist of the different tutorials so you can check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.